Hi friends, if you are in plan for making a job board portal, this video is exactly for you. And in this video I have Naukri WordPress theme, which is specifically made for job board portal and websites. So Naukri job board WordPress theme has all the features available with it. It is a user friendly advanced mega job board WordPress theme, very appropriate for employment agencies, companies, career page, job portal for recruiters who are looking for capable applicants. And it has Android app and iOS options as well. You can get all this with this theme, and additional purchase can be done. So if we talk about the demos, it has pre-defined creative home pages. So Naukri job board WordPress theme contains multiple home page styles, and you can choose any as per your need and choice. So I am going to add the link of this demo website in the description of this video, and I am also adding the link of my website where you can get a Naukri WordPress theme simply clicking by the magenta color button marked as get Naukri WordPress theme. And this is the main the first layout of Naukri WordPress theme, and all the layouts has been aesthetically made and they are having very wonderful look. I have seen all this, so you can choose according to your need and choice any. So this I am just exploring the first one, and it has all the features as you know, as it is required for Naukri or job board portal. So in this video we are going to install the Naukri WordPress theme, and you have a reason to watch this video until end, as you never know the features available in a theme until you buy it. And this video helps you identifying the features and abilities of your website using any theme. At least for Naukri WordPress theme. In this video you can explore all the possibilities, and I'll show you the theme options as well, and import the demo content, customizations options, all is available in this video only. So watch until the end, and if you are a first time visitor of this channel, you may please subscribe this channel. I'm going to bring wonderful videos, plugins and utilities for you. And I have a press WordPress installation for this activity, and the default 2021 WordPress theme has been installed, and I got the theme pack as well. In the theme pack I have documentation, licensing, the main theme file and the child theme file. So let us begin the installation. We have to go in the theme section of WordPress and click on add new, upload theme, choose file, and here you need to choose naukri.zip file. And if you are having direct access on your server, you can upload the same file directly on the WP content themes folder, and I am doing the same. It will save some time, and I will be also be able to show you the theme file size actually. And the theme file size is just 25.58 MB. On an average the theme file size remains around 15 to 20 MB. It is bit higher, but it may contain several utilities with it. This is why it is bit high in size, but it is fine. It is working fine, I have seen. And once the progress bar turns green with 100%, you can go back, and both the activities of uploading the theme are same. Don't get confused. Either you can upload the theme through WordPress interface, or either using the WP directly on the server. And once the progress bar turns green, you can go back and extract the uploaded file, and extraction outcome is this Naukri folder, in which we got all the theme components, folders and files are here. So now we can delete the zip one. It is not required, it is just consuming the server space. And now we are fine to go back in the theme section of WordPress, and we have Naukri as another theme option now. and let us check the details. This is Naukri version 1.4.4 by Scripts Bundle, and it has been developed by Scripts Bundle, and it was developed in 2018, and regular updates for this theme is also being done. So okay, fine. So we can activate it now. And upon activation we got an alert that we need to install certain plugins for using this theme, and this is the list of plugins. All are required in fact, and has been given in the theme bundle pack. So I'm going to install all the plugins in one go, and if you are not confident about your server capacity, just install the plugins one by one to avoid any errors. And if you are ordering the theme at wpthemes.co.in website, you shall be getting on the same capacity server if you are choosing to hosting plan with the theme. And all the plugins has been installed now, and now we can go back, and now we have to activate all the installed plugins. Now all plugins has been installed and activated. Simply click on dashboard whether it needs further customization or further information it may require, because WooCommerce is also in the bundle of the theme, and WooCommerce needs certain information. Yes, it is redirecting to WooCommerce setup page, so you need to put all these credentials as applicable for you. I am skipping this step because WooCommerce is already installed in this activity, and I don't need to put all this information because I am just demonstrating the theme. However, my WooCommerce is also installed, and now we can take a look of our website since all the plugins and the theme itself has been installed. So Naukri, this is the basic view of Naukri WordPress theme, and of course it is without any demo content. This is why it is looking like core and basic. So we have a target website like this, any of this, and maybe this. So at this stage we need to go for the demo content, and okay, so import demo data is laying under the appearance section, appearance tab. So just click on the import demo data, and Naukri Elementor widgets require Elementor to be installed. Okay, so we need to install Elementor first. Not a problem. So I'll just install importing demo data. So I am just installing the Elementor before importing one of the demos available is calling list. Contact your technical support, theme activation, required plugins and other plugins. So all things has been given, and like core vitals of servers, what is required, and so it is Hindi demo, Arabic demo, and Arabic Elementor, So I'm just looking for the whether I need to install the Elementor or not. So all plugins are here, and page builder is here, so I'm not going to install the Elementor because so Naukri Elementor widgets. Okay, fine. So Elementor widgets, if you are using, then we need to install Elementor, but I am not using that in this installation. I am simply clicking on the import demo for very first one, and it should work on the WP Bakery page builder, and it is suggesting some plugins, so it is fine. We can skip at this stage and continue and import. And now import process has started, and it may take 4 to 5 minutes as I assume, as it also downloads images from the developer servers. We have to be here without refreshing and leaving the page. This screen gets complete and we can visit our website. However, some error is there, so some WooCommerce action and all such things is visible. But let us check what happens. And I also install the Elementor in the background, as it was saying Elementor is required. So remember, I have installed the Elementor, and yes, we got that website with all the theme components and features are here, and it is here. So all things are working fine, and we got a wonderful website in this activity. So you have the option to choose any home page, as I have chosen to main home page as my home page. And we got all the features with this demo content, and now everything is fine with this theme, and I believe you will be able to make a wonderful website using this theme. However, I find that the search function is taking some additional time. I don't know why it is going on, and decision is always yours whether you choose this theme, and whatever has been shown on the screen you will get definitely. And certain home pages, 4 home page options are also here, and job post options are also here. So but all the search and the next click is taking too much time, so it is a drawback, I believe, and why it is not working properly I need to investigate. Meanwhile, I'll show you the theme options, and what is additional in the theme installation. And let us go to the dashboard for this, and we have Naukri job board. So this is the main functions, as I believe. Job board, add new category template, categories, experience, currency, shift skills, specializations, and all such things are here. And job board has been already containing demo data, and I'll show you what fields are available in the job board field. And these are the fields, and okay, so you can use this field. And after job board, map countries are available, custom fields are here, and the rest of things are common as in WordPress. And I'll show you the theme options of Naukri WordPress theme, what additional settings has been given in the theme panel. And this is the theme options of Naukri WordPress theme. This is header setting, URL rewriting, map settings, Zoom API settings, job settings, and job details are here. Employer settings, so it is also having multiple fields and areas. Candidate settings, okay, so it is also having a broad settings. So external job APIs, Indeed settings. So Indeed is very active nowadays. Page setups, email templates, and so features are much more than required in fact. So all features are available, footer setting, demo importer, and all such things are here. But somehow the search options and the pages are not working properly. Let us check again, and I wish to show you how it works in the front end as well. This is demo 1, and it is loading up, and it got loaded without any trouble. However, it is bit slow. And marketing, let us say I am clicking on automotive, is loading up. Okay, fine. So it is working. That time when I said this, it is not loading up. That time my internet having some trouble, I believe, and all things are fine. And job alerts apply now is also here. So please, okay, so it is going to the developer website. So we need to configure all such things for our own website, and since we have installed all such things here, I have shown you everything. And so the page content can be edited with the page builder, and rest of things are here, and the theme is available. As if you have decided to take this theme, you can get it. However, it is not having the quality as I expected, but yes, it will work. And there are several other themes option available on the same category, I mean on job board on this channel. You can explore those as well. So Naukri is also good, no doubt, and you have to take your own decision. And I believe you have already subscribed this channel. Thanks for watching.